Evacore is a DIY friendly product. It's very easy to install. There's no glue to the application. You can simply score the board with a utility knife and just snap it and continue installing. There's no real grade level to put this in. You can put it in any home. Our traditional Evacore is 5.5 millimeters thick. It is a waterproof click and lock floating floor. It will require a foam pad to be placed underneath it. We also have Evacore Plus, which is a 7 millimeter product, which has a pre-attached cork backing and a 20 mil wear layer. This is a great product for any home. The best selling point is it's for a family that has, kids, dogs. It's a very durable product that's going to hold up for a long, long time.